F's 2025 Pontiac Tempest history. The origins, 1960–1961. Introduced in 1960 as a 1961 model, the Pontiac Tempest was part of GM's compact car lineup, alongside the Chevrolet Corvair, Buick Special, and Oldsmobile F-85. It was meant to give Pontiac a smaller, fuel-efficient car compared to its large, powerful full-size models. The first generation, 1961–1963, known for its radical engineering, featured a rear transaxle, unusual for American cars at the time. Used a flexible drive shaft nicknamed the rope drive. Independent rear suspension, rare among American cars then. Engines. Base engine was a half a V8A, essentially a four-cylinder derived from Pontiac's 389 V8, called the Trophy 4. Optional 215 cubic inches, 3.5 liters, aluminum V8 from Buick. Body styles, two-door coupe, sedan, convertible, and station wagon. One Motor Trend's 1961 Car of the Year as part of GM's compacts. The second generation, 1964–1967. Redesigned as a conventional intermediate-size car, sharing GM's new A-body platform with the Chevy Sheep, Oldsmobile Cutlass, and Buick Skylark. The Tempest became larger, stronger, and more traditional. Engine lineup expanded, inline sixes and Pontiac V8s. 1964 milestone, the high-performance Tempest Le Mans GTO package launched, which evolved into the legendary Pontiac GTO, often called the first true muscle car. The third generation, 1968–1970. Restyled with the new Coke bottle shape common in late 60s muscle cars. The Tempest was positioned below the Le Mans and GTO. Body styles, coupe, sedan, convertible, and wagon. Engines, straight six and Pontiac V8s, ranging from economical to powerful. The fourth generation, 1971–1977. The Tempest name gradually faded in favor of the Pontiac Le Mans. By 1971, the Tempest line was merged more closely with the Le Mans, becoming the entry-level version. In 1971–1972, Tempest was still offered, but after 1973, the name was dropped in the US and replaced fully by the Le Mans. The Canadian Tempest, 1970s and 1980s. Interestingly, in Canada, Pontiac used the Tempest name until 1970 for rebadged Chevrolet models. Later, from 1987 to 1991, GM of Canada revived the Tempest name for a rebadged Chevrolet Corsica sold as a Pontiac Tempest. A legacy. The Pontiac Tempest is historically important because 1. It was Pontiac's first compact car. 2. Its engineering was innovative and unusual, rope drive plus transaxle. 3. It served as the foundation for the Pontiac GTO, which defined the muscle car era. Though the name disappeared, its role in launching Pontiac's performance image makes it unforgettable.